Hi, I'm Chris Lennon with iRoom.io. So here at InfoComm 2021, we're having a great show. We're showing off our new products, and one of those is iTop. So iTop is our tabletop solution for holding and charging the iPad. We also have the ability to lock the iPad in. And so in order to unlock the iPad, I'll give you a little demo on how to do that. Enter in a 4-digit code, release the security feature, and there's your iPad undocked. When it's docked, of course, it's charging, and if you want it to be locked up, then you can utilize the security feature. We will also start including a sensor package in Q1 of next year. So we're going to include temperature, brightness, humidity, air quality, and also motion will be built into the iTop series. So for more information, hit us up at iRoom.io, and thanks so much.